All right, guys, so I couldn't figure out why I kept killing lift pumps in the van. So I started doing a little research and found out there's these little filters in the tank. And all this was inside of the filters. Yeah, so what I was doing is I'd pull the fuel line off and blow back into the tank, and then it would run good for a day or two, because it would blow all this crap back out and it would suck it right back up. So here's the new filters, and they just go right here in your tank sump. So here's your sump. This tells you your fuel level, and so these filters just drop right in like this. And I'm gonna have to clean it out a little more. There's some grit in there, but I'm just showing you guys. Then you line your hose back up and you put it back together. So I'll show you how I had to get the fuel out, because I had a full tank when this started happening. Where'd it go? Oh, this. One of the old lift pumps, because I thought it was one of the lift pumps that had died, but it was actually the filter plugged up. So I hooked up 2 wires to the lift pump, hooked a hose, then hooked these up to a Milwaukee battery. Believe it or not, it worked. I had the tank emptied in about 20 minutes. Thanks for watching.